Hello, my name is Johannes Stumpf. I'm area sales manager. I'm working for 6 years now for Maincor, and I'm here at our production site in Knetzgau, and I want to take you on a tour with me. So please enjoy it and have a look what we can do. I'm standing now at line K22, which is one of our 6 multi-layer lines, on which we can produce basically everything from 12 mm until 63. The aluminium is delivered in coils, and then it is put into a charger so that we have enough time to reconnect the coils if one coil is running out. After that, the aluminium is put into a round form, or is forced into a round form, and is going to be welded. Right after that, the pipe is put under pressure with around 4 bars, and the inner and outer layer is produced simultaneously in the same heat, so that the adhesion between the layers and between the aluminium is as best as you can imagine. Directly after that, we do have a X-ray, so we are X-raying every single meter of the pipe to ensure that the welding is 100% and leak-proof. After that, you can see the cooling, so the pipe is being cooled down. After the cooling, we do have a visual inspection with the camera, so the surface has to be optimum, and every single meter is also being inspected by a camera. Then the pipe is being printed. Every meter we do have a printing on the pipe, so that you know how long the pipe is and every single information what is needed. After that, the pipe is being coiled. After coiling, we have another 2 tests. One is a pressure test. We put 10 bar on each and single coil, which we have produced for about 3 minutes, and furthermore we have a little ball which we shoot through the coil, so that we check the inner layer again for unevenness. So as you can see, we have taken a big account into quality control, which is the pipe is being produced under pressure constantly, and if the pressure drops, the machine triggers an alarm and gives the operator the message that he has to do something. Furthermore, it is being X-rayed every single meter. Every single meter is being visually inspected by a camera. Each coil is being put under pressure by 10 bar, and we have the ball, which runs through every coil. Now I'm standing here in our quality control, and in the back you can see apparatus which is where we are testing the adhesion between the layers of our paired pipes. The machine is actually pulling at a specific force, so that we can see if the pipes or if the single layers are being optimum connected to each other. If I move a little bit, you can see in the back the test for our PRT lines or PRT pipes, so that we can check the single layers under a microscope. So we make a little cut into the pipe, so that we can see the oxygen barrier under this microscope. Now I'm standing in our hot basin laboratory. In the basins, which you can see in the back, we are putting from every shift and every product one piece or one sample into hot water at maximum pressure. So that means we will have We have almost cooking temperatures, so we are right now at 97 degrees. Each pipe is put under pressure, and for a minimum of 16 hours. And we also have a monthly test, which is lasting 164 hours. There is another test, which is a yearly test for every product, and it lasts 1000 hours. So we test pretty intensively every product what we have. That was our tour through the production, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I just want to wish you a great day and all the best. Bye bye, and hope to welcome you here. See you soon. Bye.